like a lemonade. Took time making you the Minute Maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the Minute Maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we iterate. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate. Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over. Just remember what I told you. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you.
Happy new month. Today is 1st of March. Welcome to another video. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Dolphin. Today is Saturday and it's the beginning of a new month. I just woke up. I'm very positive that this month will go well. Everything will be okay. And yeah, I wish you guys a lovely month ahead. The whole of last week I had wigs, and this is my bonnet. Actually, the whole of last week I had a wig, so I just want to remove this hair because tomorrow, I can't wait for tomorrow to take you guys along with me. Today is Saturday, 1st of March. Tomorrow is 2nd, and I booked an appointment to a salon. I'm going to Spritz Hair Studio to make my hair. I've been wanting to do a texlax. I'm really tired of my natural hair for now, so I'm going to relax my hair and do like a silk press. That was the plan A. Plan B was to cut my hair, because as you guys know, I'm always ranting about my hair. Oh, sijui nishuke nini. Oh, I don't know what to do. My hair is falling off on the back. So I know it's a bigger risk, but I had to. I want my hair to be manageable with a different texture. That's why I'm doing this. Anyway, guys, I'm just about to have breakfast. Let the vlog begin. Honestly, this coffee has been a lifesaver. I'm just going like this. Hope no one sees me because my hair is horrible. So yeah, just packed a few things. I don't know if I'll also do my nails because this one is already flipping on. I don't know. I might do tomorrow or the next weekend. You guys, I've been loving this shea butter. It's by Sanura. It's really nice, really moisturizing, and yeah, it doesn't leave me feeling sticky or anything, and it smells so good. Yani inanukia tu poa. So I want to rush. Today is Sunday. I'm going to the salon, and yeah, I'm gonna relax my hair. Wish me luck, guys. So I've also been loving these t-shirts. I have like 3 of them. They're from, I just thrifted them, and they're really good. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another session of the vlog. Today is a day before International Women's Day. Today is 7th of March. I'm going to the office. We have like a special high tea kind of setup. I don't know how to call it. We are basically celebrating Women's Day in our office and the theme is Bridgerton and it's a high tea. That's it. So I worked kidogo in the morning and right now it's around 2. I hope I won't be late because it starts at 3. So I'm going there right now. So I just wanted to update you and I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Women's Day. Woo! Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Breakfast, you can have a nice snack, and after lunch before dinner, you can have a nice snack. Pretty good deal. I don't know if that's the same as going to a regular store.
Hey guys, so I wanted to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I feel a bit sleepy. I think I might take another nap. Imagine me and naps. Please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.